Erica here. If you're tired of spending $5 every morning on coffee shop lattes that taste just okay, or you're done with complicated $1,000 espresso machines that take up half your counter, the GE Profile semi-automatic espresso machine with the 15-bar Italian pump is about to change your life. I've been pulling shots with this exact machine every single day for the past 8 weeks. Flat whites, cappuccinos, straight espresso, iced Americanos, and I'm completely hooked. Today, I'm giving you the full deep dive. Every feature, the real pros and cons from hundreds of shots, and exactly who should buy this right now. Let's start with what makes this machine special. It has a real 15-bar Italian-made pump for proper espresso pressure, a built-in conical burr grinder with 30 adjustable grind settings, a 59mm commercial-size portafilter just like pro machines, and a powerful steam wand that makes thick, silky microfoam for latte art. The water tank is 70 ounces, so you're not refilling constantly. The drip tray is removable and easy to clean, and the whole thing is wrapped in beautiful matte black stainless steel that looks amazing on the counter. The controls are simple. One dial for grinder settings, buttons for single or double shot, a steam button, and a hot water button for Americanos. It preheats in about 45 seconds, and the temperature is super stable thanks to the thermoblock system. Now the real-life pros, because this machine is incredible. The espresso is rich, full-bodied, with thick, golden crema every single time. The built-in grinder is surprisingly good. Consistent particle size, no clumping, and 30 settings mean you can dial in any bean perfectly. The steam wand is powerful and easy to texture milk. I'm making latte art hearts and rosettas that look like they came from a cafe. It's fast, from cold start to first shot in under 2 minutes. Cleanup is simple. Knock box for pucks, rinse the portafilter, wipe the wand, done. Honesty time. The cons. The grinder is good, but not as precise as a $1,000 separate grinder, so super light roasts can be a little tricky. The machine is tall. Make sure you have 16 inches of clearance under cabinets. The steam wand is powerful, but takes a few tries to master if you're new to milk texturing. No PID temperature control like some pricier machines, but I haven't noticed any taste difference. And it's not fully automatic. You still tamp and pull the shot manually, which is actually a pro for coffee nerds. My final recommendation after 8 weeks and hundreds of shots: if you want real cafe quality espresso at home for a fraction of the price of pro machines, the GE Profile semi-automatic is 100% worth it. The 15-bar pump, built-in grinder, and excellent steam wand make this the best value in home espresso right now. Perfect for beginners who want to learn, or intermediate users who want great coffee without spending $2,000. Ready to start making better coffee than your local shop? Click the link in the description to grab the GE Profile semi-automatic espresso machine at the best price. It supports the channel too. If this helped, smash like, drop your favorite coffee drink below, share with your caffeine-addicted friends, and subscribe for more honest gear reviews. Quick reminder, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching. Now go pull your first perfect shot.